This example says that we want to solve by the addition method. So I have a system of equations and I want to solve these by adding them together. Now, when you add them together, you want to find factors that are in common so that when you add them together, you get 0. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to rewrite both equations so that we make sure we can see what we're going to be doing. As you notice, I'm leaving a little bit of space so that if I need to do any multiplication, I'm going to be able to see what it is that I'm doing. So I've got each of my equations. Now, I say the easiest way to do these is, okay, which ones already have opposite signs? Well, the 5 and the 3 have opposite signs. So that we don't have to do anything with signs, what is the least common multiple of 5 and 3? Well, it's 15. So I'm going to multiply the top by what to get 15? So 5 times 3 is 15. And then on the bottom, 3 times what is 15? 5. So now I'm going to rewrite those, multiplying that 3 throughout. So now I'm going to have 12x plus 15y equals 9. And then I'm going to get 10x minus 15y equals 35. So as we said, this is addition. So I need to add these together. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to add them together. So 12 plus 10 is 22x. Here's the purpose. Remember, a positive and a negative, those are opposites, so those cancel out. And then I'm going to do 9 plus 35, which is going to be 44. So I'm going to divide both sides by 22, and I find that x equals 2. Okay, so I've got that now. Just like before, how am I going to find y? Well, I'm going to plug it back into one of my equations. So let's just say that I picked the second one. So I've got 2x minus 3y equals 7. So everywhere there's an x, I'm going to plug in 2. I'm going to rewrite the rest of the equation. I get 4 minus 3y equals 7. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So those cancel, and I get minus 3y equals 3. But I don't want a minus, I need just y. So I'm going to divide both sides by minus 3, and I'm going to get y equals minus 1. Again, what you would need to do is you actually want to substitute these values back in to verify that they really do work. And I'm actually going to tell you that they do work so that when you check, you're going to know that you got the correct answer.